time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got a new one from Malaysia. This is from Red Chef. They've been on the top 10. Actually, it's made in Malaysia, and it looks like I'm getting it for the Singaporean market. This is their Hiam rice vermicelli, and Hiam is kind of like, if you know what Laugan Ma chili crisp is, it's kind of like a prawn version of that. It's like a prawn crisp. It's prawny. So we got our rice vermicelli, and it goes in for 1 minute. 1 minute of boiling, folks. That's pretty quick. One. It immediately goes red because it is almost done already. Yeah, you cook it up, you drain it, you slap in the sachet contents, and that's all they wrote. So this will be a quickie today. Yeah. So that is cool. I enjoy that. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to enjoy this. This one is Hiam. There's a wheat noodle variety, and that's on my top 10 list. I think that's in the number 2 spot. I can't remember. But it's primo. 2 or 3. Definitely in the top 5, and it is absolutely wonderful. So I'm guessing that if I do a rice noodle list again, this will probably be in the number 1 spot. So 3, 2, 1. So there's that. All right, let's drain her. Drain. Drained. It's funny, the first and the last ones I'm doing today have to be drained. You got a sachet of paste. Well, it looks like it's ready to go. See. All the kitchen scissors are in the dishwasher and they're all clean. Here we go. We'll let you check this stuff out. Yeah, you can see that. Yada yada yada. It's a day, folks. I don't know. Hopefully, it will get better. All right. It's kind of clumpy, but it's really good. It's a tricky thing to combine. But it is a wonderful thing to enjoy. Yeah, see, I don't know if I'm doing something wrong here, but they always show the noodle and the, like that thing. Out of the kitchen, dog, out of the kitchen. They've got it combined a lot better than I do on there. But it's tricky business. Because it doesn't always want to loosen up. Eee. Let's give this a try. Usually what I'll do is use a pair of scissors to make it a little more manageable. There's a noodle. I got the picture, Pepper. That's good. spicy. But yeah, it doesn't want to really stir into it. But it's good. Oh man, that's really good. Alright. Alright. Okay. So let's see if we can do this up here. But it's like, the stuff is chewy. There's lots of shrimp in it. It's like sweet. It's sweet and it's spicy and it's amazing stuff. Yes, yes, y'all. Okay, now we're gonna put in some egg. Go lay down. I'm working here, dog. I know, dog. I know. Whoa. That's in the dishwasher too. Go lay down. I have nothing for you. I don't even want to know what would happen if I fed you some of these really, really strong, flavorful things. It could be bad. I know you would like it, probably. Egg and egg. Out of the kitchen. Go. Go, go, go. I'm kind of at the end of my rope with dog. That's the thing that's been going on today, unfortunately. I'll tell you more about it tomorrow. But yeah, which sucks because she's a really neat dog, but it's just too much. A little bit of seeds. I think that's good. I don't think it really needs much more than that. I do have some corned beef. I just don't think that's going to work on this one. That's for an upcoming one I'm doing later today. So, Rotato, do your thing. That was quick. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. The next one I'm going to have here is this Big Cup Noodles Japanese Cheese Curry. And this one's from Singapore as well. Sold in Singapore. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.